Good day, everyone. Learn how to change the language in Android phone, any Android mobile phone. So, firstly, we need to go to the settings and then there is a search icon. So, we need to click on that and search for language. The moment you type it, you will get a lot of options and you just need to click under general management, not under the call settings. So under the general management, you will find language. Click on that. And here you have the language option and click on that again. Now, whatever the language you want to add, click on that. And once you're done, let's say if I want to add Spanish, I will add it and it will also ask you to set as default. If you already have the language, you just need to click on that and click on apply. And in this manner, you will be able to apply or change the language in any Android mobile phone. Subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a wonderful day.